YouTubers, so you guys should know him. One of the cool Sesame Street characters I love. I worked really hard on making him. So you got the tie, the strings. This is a paper bag. Really hard to see. Hey guys, and yeah. So he has all kinds of cool features. If you guys don't know. So you got the head, the mouth of the puppet. With my left hand, I can move around the wings. Yeah. So here, down here. So yeah, guys, if you guys like this video, please leave a comment down below and subscribe. If you guys also like this video, hit that like button. All right. Bye.